Hello everyone, I'm Alex Chen from Regaltech, Malaysia. First, I would like to thank Alibaba Cloud for the opportunity to be the speaker for this event. It is truly a great honor. And my topic today is Cultivating with AgriTech for Sustainable Future. The contents of my speech today will be first to introduce Regaltech Group, followed by our AgriTech developments over the years, and lastly, the summary and our future plans. So let me share a little bit of the history of Regaltech. Regaltech is a leading integrated solution provider that uses digital and smart solutions to help our customers to become more and more efficient and sustainable. It is founded in 2006 as an engineering and automation company in Malaysia. So Regaltech later expanded to Singapore in 2014. In 2016, we ventured in food manufacturing business and also started smart farming. To complement our business, we also invested substantial stake in a solar company, Greenergy Asia in 2021, whose experiences in solar energy dated back 14 years ago. So today, our focus is in Industrial 4.0, AgriTech and renewable energy, where we can deliver the state-of-the-art, end-to-end solutions to our customers. For today's topic, I will be focusing on AgriTech and discuss on three types of smart farms. First, hydroponics IoT farms, aquaponics IoT farms, and DURIAN IoT farms. So back in 2016, Regaltech piloted our very first indoor hydroponic farm inside an industrial office. Hydroponic is the cultivation of plants without using soil. So we designed and built this farm with nutritionist input in a clean environment and implemented our digitalization expertise. So as a result, we managed to improve our yield, provide healthier, fresher food, and faster delivery of affordable food to our customers. In our smart indoor farm, we use smart sensors to measure lux, water temperature, EC, pH, and etc. that are vital conditions for healthy plant growth. So these signals of the sensors are connected to IoT gateway and transmitted to cloud such as AliCloud for data collection. Hence, we are using our own IoT smart farming dashboard to control our irrigation system and monitor the data. So the results of analytics will also trigger Regaltech smart fertigation and lighting systems to deliver the optimum amount of light, water and fertilizers into the hydroponic system to ensure healthy plant growth and improve harvest yield. The types of vegetables that can be planted in our smart farm include lettuce, spinach, basil, and all types of leafy greens and culinary herbs. So from our own farms selling vegetables, we have also expanded to delivering and implementing smart indoor IoT farm solutions for our customers, as you can see from the pictures as below. So let me share with you our success stories of implementation. Our smart farming solution can be implemented in restaurants and cafes, so we can bring the farm-to-table experience to patrons and helping our clients to attract new and returning customers. Besides, we can also implement our system in offices, where we prolong the lifespan of landscape plants and help to create an extraordinary workplace experience that can boost creativity and productivity. We can also implement our system in hotel and resort, where we implement our smart farm system to provide monitoring and controls of the ambient conditions to manage landscapes and crops. Here, you can see the kind of quality of crops we have planted. Aside from homes, offices, restaurants, grocery stores and hotels, our solutions can also be further extended to petrol stations, hospitals, schools, fitness centers, and etc. These ensure a fresh and sustainable supply of food that can be provided to everyone at almost everywhere. And the fantastic news is that all the important information for the healthy growing of crops can be at our fingertips in multi-devices. For instance, real-time monitoring with alarm notifications, charts, and graphs as well. From hydroponics, we have evolved into aquaponics. Hydroponics is farming of crops only, while aquaponics is the farming of crops and fishes in a closed system that mimics the natural ecosystem. Similar to hydroponics, All essential data of aquaponics will be fed to Regaltech IoT cloud monitoring system via sensors in a closed-loop system to ensure the most ideal environmental conditions for healthy fish and plant growth. In aquaponics, fishes are fed and lay waste in the fish tank. This water is then pumped from the fish tank through a solid filter to remove bigger particles into another tank below the plants. The filtered and nutrient-rich water is then used for growing the plants before it is purified and recirculated back to the fish tank. Here is a smart aquaponics greenhouse built and owned by us. It's actually located in the industrial area. On the top left, it is an ongoing project that we are discussing with a university. So this is an aqua ecosystem using smart farm IoT tech and solar energy solution that is sustainable and energy efficient. Currently, we are also in serious talk with a customer to implement smart aquaponics in the industrial building to produce fishes such as tilapia and jade perch and a mixture of vegetables. Using Regaltech smart IoT farming technology, we estimate production of 200 to 250 tons of fishes and at least 10 tons of vegetables per annum for our customer. And here comes the interesting topic of the day. The durian plantation industry is a multi-billion-dollar business and is growing aggressively every year. Most durian farmers are now focused on cultivating the Musang King and Blackthorn varieties as they are highly valued. However, durian cultivation is challenging, especially when the plantation expands to a larger scale. Although Malaysia presents a geographic advantage to farmers, durian trees are sensitive to weather and soil conditions, and most owners are dependent on obtaining advice from traditional experienced farmers. There are no formal analysis or methods used to support farmers in performing daily activities such as fertilization and irrigation. By relying solely on traditional plantation methods, the yield and growth rates are low. Regaltech understands the needs of the local farmers, and in 2020, we ventured into farm cloud data for durians, partnering with Alibaba Cloud and differentiating itself from traditional solution providers. So Regaltech's Durian Cloud platform is designed to provide entry-level farming solutions that is affordable to be owned and operated by any farms, overcoming the typical mindset of smart farming needing high investments. The Durian IoT system gathers soil and environmental data from IoT-based sensor, and data is then transmitted through our in-house designed sensor nodes to Alibaba Cloud platform. Let me share a little bit more about this technology. The collected data via our sensor node is the benchmark throughout the durian tree growth cycle. Hence, this data is then fed into our cloud platform where digital intelligence analysis is used to determine the required amount of water and nutrients based on the age and health condition of the trees. Therefore, with the data and AI monitoring, our smart fertigation system can then automate the process of irrigations, fertilizers dosing with high accuracy and efficiency. The fertigation system, co-developed by Regaltech and Alibaba Cloud, could effectively measure fertilizer absorption of a plant, and it can be remotely controlled and adjusted. Durian farmers can effectively adjust their overall management plans. In this way, it helps to save money, time, manpower, and improving durian production. With Regaltech Durian Cloud platform hosted on Alibaba Cloud, farmers are able to receive real-time agriculture information accurately, helping them having a seamless experience in analyzing agriculture information precisely. This in turn has helped farmers in growing healthier trees with cost-effective method that can also give rise to higher harvest volumes. So let's now hear what durian farm owner Leong Pui Sam have to say after using Regaltech AliCloud Durian platform for his farm in Pahang, Malaysia.
我是榴莲园园主，我的榴莲园有10亩地，榴莲的产量一个季节大概是1到2吨，主要是销售到中国会比较多。自从我认识了 Regaltech 跟阿里云之后，通过智能的检测跟数据的分析，更有效的帮助我们的榴莲园。这样的话就可以 提升我们的榴莲的产量，也可以节省成本。
So let me summarize for today's topic. AgriTech makes farming operation more efficient, reduce manual labor costs, and improves production with fresher produce. Besides, smart hydroponics and aquaponics can be implemented for a wide variety of food in almost every urban locations, with real-time monitoring and information at our fingertips. Last but not least, AgriTech provides a sustainable supply of food that is healthier, more cost-effective, and nearer to consumers. Before I end my presentation, please allow me to share Regaltech's future plans with you. We hope to build and own IoT community farms with diversified food production near to residential areas to provide an affordable and sustainable supply of food. We also hope to grow and implement our AgriTech outside Malaysia so that more countries in ASEAN can have smarter and more affordable farming. Lastly, we wish to continue to develop AgriTech using big data, cloud AI, robotics, and renewables energy to further improve operational efficiency with reduced costs and carbon emissions. So thank you everyone for your attention. Over here, I wish everyone a splendid 2022 ahead. Take care, goodbye.